Hey guys, this is Gina doing a review today on the Blue Buffalo Wilderness, and this is the high protein adult dry food. Just for frame of reference, this is 28 pounds, and this particular one is the chicken and the grains. But we were really excited to give this a try because we have, of course, anybody that has a dog, you want the best for your dog. And so we want to make sure that we were feeding them the best food that we could find. So the reason that this appealed to us is because it doesn't have any, byproducts. As you can see up here, no byproduct meals, no corn, wheat, soil, no artificial stuff. So that was really important to us. And just so you can kind of see what it looks like. But we just gave it a try, and our dog absolutely loves it. But this is something that is important to us. We want to make sure what we're feeding him is going to be, cleaner ingredients. It's also got antioxidants, and so we are really excited to introduce us into his diet, and we love that he loves it. That makes it a lot easier because you want to have something that they're going to be excited to eat. There's so many different things to choose from. Like I said, this particular one is the chicken and the wholesome grains. So so far so good. I'm looking forward to trying the other ones as well. But if you're looking to switch over, if ingredients are really important to you, we all love our fur babies so much, and this stuff matters. So if you're looking to switch food, I would highly recommend giving this a try. Hope that helps.